welcome to my channel, or back to my channel if you visited here before. Today I'm going to open this awesome color box LED marquee. I got it specifically for my children, school starting, and as we know, a lot of us are going to be doing some homeschool. So I wanted to make homeschool fun with a little light up box with different words that my kids can practice reading, spelling, things like that. So they can either put the words on themselves or I'll put it on for them, and then once they read the sign for the day, then they might get a little prize. So let me just go ahead and open this up for you guys and show you what's inside. I got it at Walmart. It was like $10 maybe, I think, maybe 15, I'm not sure, I can't remember. But it was a great deal, and I think it's really going to be fun for the kids to learn this way. So let's get started with unboxing this. A handy handle. I won't be defeated by the plastic. Okay, so inside the package we have, ooh, fancy. We have some really neat little emoji type things. There's letters in this package as well. It's that really thin plastic that you think you can get through, but you get through one little tiny piece. Ooh, hang on. Ooh, there we go. There's some more stuff. Open, open, open. I kind of feel like I'm in that one commercial from 29, I swear. And it came with instructions, which we all read those, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna do it myself. So we have a cool little remote control here. On the remote control, you can see that there are several different color settings and several different lighting selections. And like a lot of things, so they come with a USB, and then I just have my computer handy all the time, and I just plug everything into my computer. Excuse my pants. These are pants, but they keep coming apart. Got them at Walmart, go figure, right? And there's the on-off switch. I didn't even open the remote yet. I'll show you guys. Off. Off. Okay. Off. Okay, here we go. I pull. Guess what? There's the thing where the battery was right here, and you have to pull it out or else it doesn't work. So now let's try off. Off. There we go. Okay, and then we can turn it on. And it looks like it automatically turns on to multiple colors. So let's say we just want to do one color, or we've got pink, blue, yellow, purple, blue, orange, purple, another shade of blue, orange, or it says orange on here, but it looks like it's yellow, orange, green, blue, even though it looks purple. I swear, it says blue. And blue, and green, and red. And then we have just the white background. We have a flash setting, so if you want it to flash between, that's what it started with. Then we have strobe, which, warning, oh, it's not totally strobing. Okay, strobe? Okay, that's cool. So it just kind of fades, even though it says strobe. So the next one is fade, so let's see what that does. That does it a little quicker. Fancy, fancy. And then the last one is smooth, or the next to the last one. There we go. That almost looks more like strobe, but that's okay. We then have a way to turn it up, the brightness up, or I guess that turns the speed up. Or let's see, looks like we can turn it down. I encourage you to read the directions. All right, let's play around with the letters. So we have these letters and emojis that came with it. Okay, so it looks like we have got several sheets here. Ooh, they're all like, hold it up. Woo, fun. Let's see. Whoa. Ah! I'm overwhelmed with letters. All of our emojis. Yeah, cool stuff. All right. Let's see, we'll put, oh, you slide them in. Okay, that's cool. So they slide in. And that is my daughter's name, Bella. You wouldn't want to let the dog get a hold of this, I'll tell you that much. I mean, it's not like poor quality, but it, You just wouldn't want to let the dog get a hold of it. Okay, there was only 2 of each letter. So my son has an L in his name, so we're gonna get creative like the people do at the stores and whatnot. Turn that 7 upside down and turn it into an L. E-L J. Stuff is staticky. It gets stuff stuck in there. There we go. J. The hair. Jeez. There we go. So, you can put your kids' names on there. Yeah, it's on the floor and I don't feel like moving the camera, so anyway. You can put your kids' names on there. You can put all kinds of things on there. So you could put your Wi-Fi password on here every day. Make the kids read the Wi-Fi password. You know, that's a great way to get them reading. I have a message for you guys before we end. Alright, so this is the final product. If you got value out of this video, be sure to do one of these down here. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell. I post videos on creative living. My name is Angela Sawyer, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching. Peace out.